Oh my gosh, I am seriously a mess. I'm just having a super emotional day today, but it's like the good type of emotional. Anyway, I'll be right back looking a bit normal. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I look still kind of rough. They're so glossy. Anyway, I've been kind of like this all evening. I don't know if it's the time of month, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, either way, I have chocolate with me, so. But I don't think it is. I just want to sit down, make myself feel a bit better, brighten up my mood. Well, actually, my mood is already bright. Like, literally, I'm not crying because of anything bad. Like, it literally is just like positive vibes only. But anyway, I'm just gonna go with my primer as always. Physicians Formula. I'm just gonna put some on, get some nice and glowiness. Anyway, ooh, yeah. Anyway, the reason why I'm like this, the reason why I'm such a mess today, it's not a negative thing at all. Like, literally, these are tears of joy. May not look like it because tears, obviously, oh my gosh, my eyes are so red. May come across as sad, but I'm really not. Honestly, I was just having a moment. I was journaling. The more and more I was journaling about my experiences this year, 2019, I was just kind of doing a self-reflecting because this is the last week of my school before winter break. And obviously it's the start of my last semester in January. So I was just really reminiscing on everything. I think I realized as I was like writing down in my diary, my voice is shaking already. I've never been so happy in like my whole life. Like literally ever since high school, I've never been this happy. This is the challenge for myself. I'm only gonna try to do concealer only, no foundation, because I want to do like natural face, but then like nice kind of wintry eye. So we're just gonna put the concealer in like just major problem areas where I feel like just needs a little bit of help. Watch me end up putting it all over my face. We're gonna try to not do that. We are embracing our perfect imperfections, you know what I'm saying? This primer made like this one pimple so shiny. I don't know if you see that. It's like literally reflecting. It literally is like the sun. Oh my gosh. Still doing it anyway though, because it makes me feel good. So I'm going to put on the shiniest primer ever, no matter how much acne I have. Oh my gosh. And this one pimple too. It literally turns my, this is the thing. This primer literally turns my pimples gold. If you want your pimples looking fabulous, that definitely will do the trick. Oh my gosh. This one is so crusty. I'm gonna really have to like, we'll see how this ends up turning out. Literally, I curled my hair like a half hour ago and it already is so flat. Like, it's been so rainy and humid here. I'm not complaining because it's like good for your skin, you know what I'm saying? But not necessarily good for holding up hairstyles, especially if you have naturally frizzy hair. I don't, thank goodness. But anyway, again, as I was journaling, I was just recapping on my life because hands down, like high school has been the most best time of my life. And that was the thing. My biggest fear in life was not being able to find something just as good or even better than my high school experience, because again, literally that was my life. Like I was the happiest I've ever been in my whole life, for sure. And like, again, that's a scary feeling and like also a sad thought, just thinking that it's not gonna get better. That's probably, and again, that's why I've been so emotional today. Because again, I'm more than halfway done with my music production schooling, and obviously that is my true passion in life, and like that's what I'm meant to be doing. And YouTube, of course. Even with like YouTube and with my music and all that kind of stuff, I'm just recapping again, because again, it's almost 2020, which is crazy. But again, as I was like reevaluating where I am in life, I came to the confirmed conclusion just this evening. This has literally been the happiest I've ever been in like 5 years. Because again, I graduated in 2015, which is like literally 5 years ago. As of 2020. And yeah, it's been literally 5 years since I've like been genuinely happy. Whew. Oh my god. I did not mean for this to be a whole freaking tear session. I apologize. I did not mean to put this all on you. But again, it's like, I need to make sure I film a video, but again, at the same time, like, I want to show my vulnerability side. I totally butchered that word, but oh, I'm gonna need some chocolate right now. I'm gonna need some chocolate right now. This is Enjoy Life brand, not sponsored, but hey, if you're watching, this chocolate is bomb. I'll definitely do a sponsored video for sure. Anyway, I digress. I'm so sorry that I had to put this on you, but like, Don't worry, these are tears literally of pure happiness. And also I want to show my vulnerable side. But also I think this is a good reminder too. I'm gonna quickly fill my brows. But anyway, since it is the end of the year, I think it's like a super good time to like reevaluate your own lives, really take a step back and just think, even like if you're writing it down in a journal like I just did this evening, and really think and like really ask yourself, are you genuinely happy in the position you are now? Ooh, because of course you all literally are my best friends. Even though I can't visually see you all, you are seriously all my best friends, and I wouldn't trade anything else for you guys. And I love you all so much, but also loving you all so much, I really want to make sure that you all are the happiest you can possibly be. And again, since it is almost 2020, a start of a whole new decade, like, you all deserve the best, and I think that everyone deserves the best chance at life, and really decide if you are again like in the happiest state you are. And yeah, and just do a check-in, just a mini check-in tonight or after you watch this video, or now even. For example, if you are in a job you hate, or if you're in like a degree you don't enjoy. Honestly, again, since 2020 is a new start of the decade, we need to really wipe out the definition of success, meaning having a lot of money and having high status, whatever that means, you know? What we really need to start defining success is happiness. Money, honestly, all the money in the world cannot cure a broken heart, a broken mental state, or uncertainty. You have to be happy. It's such an important thing in life. You only live once, you know, and as cliche YOLO is, I mean, I live by that every day. I really have been meaning to do like a full-on Christmas theme look, but honestly, this might more so just be like a talking video. More so, and just like a motivational video for you guys. I could do a Christmas maybe makeup video this Sunday. Carving out my eyebrows with some Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer. It's such a good concealer. I'm just gonna put some on my whatever this is hand. Let's conceal some redness. Oh my gosh. But anyway, if you all, again, happen to be in a position where you're not the most, like, satisfied in life, I think 2020 is definitely the year of, you know, oh my gosh, what is this? Oh shoot, I think this is leftover eyeliner. I use this as eyeliner. This whole makeup thing is oh man, this definitely, definitely do not follow this tutorial. It's very interesting for sure. But anyway, I think it is the time to become uncomfortable. And I feel like the more discomfort, as weird as it sounds, but I think the more discomfort you experience yourself in the upcoming year, the better, because that means you're putting yourself in, again, in uncomfortable, potentially maybe risky situations that, you know, might give you rejection, or again, putting yourself out there and you really are self-conscious about or conscious about what other people will think of you. Yeah, it is super uncomfortable, but I feel like discomfort is the route to take if you really want to see change in your life. And change is good, you know, don't be fearful of change, because no matter what, life is going on and you have to keep up with life and time. So why not, you know, take advantage of every hour of the day you can and be as productive and proactive as you can, you know, and but also have time to reevaluate yourself and like have self-love days and self-care days, and just like spend time truly on your own. And spending time on your own does not mean by yourself on social media or YouTube or anything like that. Literally turn off everything and just be by yourself and your own mind, because honestly, I've never done that so much this year. The more I've been just spending time with myself, the more I discover things that I've never knew about myself before, which is so weird. But again, like, you truly learn so much about yourself if you just take that time to even journal and yeah, be your own best friend for a couple days, you know, or a day a week. There's nothing wrong with that. I feel like people are too afraid again to be alone, and I think that's just a sign of them not knowing who they truly are. So really take the time to, again, this week and, you know, the rest of December, preparing yourself for the new year to yeah, again, do that and show yourself the love that you deserve. But yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna take my Bye Bye Under Eye Cosmetics and we're gonna do a little bit of concealing. Anyway, I'm just gonna pat it with my fingers, because again, it is the best way to apply concealer. concealer. Anyway, nice. So I'm gonna quickly set my face with some Coty Airspun. Oh my gosh, there's gonna be powder all in my tea. But anyway, I hope you all are having an amazing week though, nonetheless. Let me know down below what your plans are for your winter break, if any of you are, you know, taking some time off. Woo! Also comment down below one thing that you want to improve on for 2020. I did my brushes in reverse. Me needing some chocolate. Oh yeah. Oh, my makeup is looking real crusty today. Anyway, I think I'm just gonna do a quick eye look because I still want to do a reddish pinkish eye. I'm gonna just literally quickly whip something. I'm not gonna do a tutorial or anything. And again, like if any of you are in a rough situation or even like surrounding yourself by people that don't support you or people that just don't like vibe or resonate with you in what you want in life, just know that you definitely do not owe anyone anything. So don't think that you have to impress every single person in this world. Like the famous Infinite Waters is always saying. I watch him all the time. But you could be the most juiciest, ripest, yummiest mango in the whole world, and there's still gonna be someone who does not like mangoes. In many people's eyes, you could be the most perfect person that has ever lived, but you're still gonna find that one person that will just not like you for just like one little reason. You know, that you just like won't understand and probably will never understand, and that's totally fine because that's what makes this world a very diverse place, open to many others people's opinions, and that kind of helps progress, you know, our society. But at the same time, it can also stall a bit. So that just shows the diversity of how many people there are in this world. So really just knowing that you cannot please everyone honestly lifts such a big weight off of my shoulders, because just knowing that literally gives me the opportunity to just do anything that I want and be successful at whatever it is that I want to choose to do in life. So with that being said, you all definitely have the choice and the power to do absolutely anything you want in life, and don't think that you cannot go for what you want, because you can definitely do it. With enough passion and hard work, that goes a long way. And enough said, you know? I believe in all of you. Take away the redness with concealer, put back redness with eyeshadow. Very logical. Anyway, I'm gonna be taking just a nice copper. Ooh. Honestly, I do not want to zoom in on the camera just because my skin is like so crusty right now. I try to put eyeshadow like on my waterline, but honestly, this just like literally makes me look like I just got beat up. You know what? Again, like I said, this is not a tutorial. This is simply probably most likely get ready with me, do your makeup with me kind of thing. Anyway, I'm just gonna quickly bronze and blush my face, and honestly, I think I'm just gonna call it a day because I just wanted to again come on here just for the sake of talking and sharing to you my thoughts and wanting to just connect with you all a bit more. Again, like with my school, like I've always given teachers and school in general like a bad rep just because I've never really excelled in anything really. In like high school, obviously I excelled and got perfect scores and marks in all of the creative arts stuff because I literally put my heart and soul into all of them and like put so many hours into that. But when it came to anything else, I mean I could, but I just refused. Like I just didn't, again, I wasn't passionate. The passion wasn't there. That just shows how important passion is in your whole life, into what anything you choose to do. If that makes sense. I don't know if that was English. But anyway, yeah, passion is so important. And if you don't have passion, then what makes you think you're gonna be putting in those like 12-hour work days, you know, that or whatever it takes to get to where you want to be in life, you know? So passion is so important. I'm probably just gonna put a gloss on. I'm so sad. My cap literally broke of my favorite lip gloss ever, Tarte's in the paint and Insta famous. I love Tarte so much as a brand. Like if any of you are watching, I love you guys. Seriously though, on a real level though, like Tarte is literally one of my favorite for sure. Anyway, we're just gonna put on a gloss. No lipstick, no color. It's pure gloss, man. Did I say this look was going to be wearable? No. But anyway, again, this is more of a chit chat, and I appreciate, again, every single one of you. Please subscribe if you want to see more of me. I post every Sunday and Thursday, and hit the bell notification to make sure you don't miss a video I post. Also, I opened a Patreon, and I literally just open up a lot more on there and just talk about whatever you guys want, any advice, life tips, have girl chats, have girl talks, or whatever, whatever you want to talk about. But yeah, that's gonna be on my, oh my gosh. Yeah, it's gonna be on my Patreon, so of course I will link that down below as well. Yeah, if any of you join, that will be like literally the best Christmas present to me. Obviously, don't feel obligated, but I would love to have your support for sure on there if you can. If not, I'll see you on Sunday's video, and I hope you have a good day, good night, wherever you're watching this, and I will see you, in the next video. Okay, peace.